So I'm a little confused about today's book review because actually the book series that I have for you, some people call it duology, some people call it trilogy. What I feel, I'll share it with you very, very soon. Hi, hello, namaste. My name is RJ Manjula and welcome to my YouTube channel where the book series that I have for you today is actually called Daughter of the Pirate King Trilogy by Trisha Levenseller. This has three parts. The first part is called, as I said, Daughter of the Pirate King. The second part is called Daughter of the Siren Queen. And the third part is called Vengeance of the Pirate Queen. Now, as I said, there are three parts to the book, but I genuinely feel that this book is actually just a duology, and I'll tell you in detail very, very soon. So, first, let's talk about the first part of the trilogy. This is called Daughter of the Pirate King. Now, this is the story of Alosa. She's a 17-year-old pirate. She's the daughter of this dreaded pirate king who rules the sea. And he's given her a mission to find an ancient map that leads to an island that has lot of gold and treasure and everything. It's a treasure island. And also that island has some special creatures, called siren. Siren are basically half human and half sea creatures kind of people. And these people have special powers, and that's why everybody wants to get to that island. तो अलोसा ना अपने ही शिप को किडनैप होने का नाटक करवाती हैं बिकॉज उन्हें पता चलता है कि उनका शिप जो है पूरी प्लानिंग के साथ किडनैप होने वाला है. उसे किडनैप करने वाले वही लोग हैं जिनके पास उस मैप का दूसरा हिस्सा है. ट्रेजर आइलैंड का जो मैप है उसका दूसरा हिस्सा उन लोगों के पास है और इसीलिए अलोसा अपने आप को किडनैप करवाती हैं, उनके शिप पे जाती हैं और फिर मिलती हैं उस शिप के ओनर्स से जो कि दो भाई हैं और जिसमें से छोटा भाई जो राइडन है अलोसा के साथ उसकी मुलाकात होती है. नाउ राइडन एंड अलोसा आर अट्रैक्टेड टू ईच अदर. देयर स्टोरी इज रियली रोमांटिक बट बिकॉज दे डू नॉट ट्रस्ट ईच अदर, they both know the hidden agendas, they both have hidden motives, so that's why it's very difficult for them to trust each other and also to fall in love with each other. So Alosa's father tells her to find this map and Alosa is trying her best to impress her father. लेकिन इसी दौरान वो एक अंदर भी एक लड़ाई लड़ रही हैं, एक इनर बैटल लड़ रही हैं अपने इमोशंस का जो वो राइडन के लिए फील करती हैं. और इसी जर्नी के दौरान उन्हें ये पता चलता है कि जिस फादर को भगवान मान के वो इम्प्रेस करना चाहती हैं, किस तरह से सबसे बड़ा बिट्रेयल, सबसे बड़ा धोखा उसी फादर ने उनके साथ किया है, उनकी माँ को किडनैप करके इतने सालों तक जेल में कैद में रख. Now let's talk about the second part, which is called Daughter of the Siren Queen. Now in this part, it is more about Alosa as this half siren because her father had married a siren, sea creatures, special sea creatures. So that's why this part is more about Alosa's special powers, why she has those siren-like qualities because her mother is a siren. And of course, she gets to know that her mother was kidnapped by her father and she's been imprisoned. एंड इस पार्ट में ना अलोसा अपनी माँ को अपने फादर की कैद से छुड़ाने में कामयाब हो जाती हैं. उनके फादर उनका पीछा करते हैं बिकॉज सी में उनका होल्ड बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है और वो उन्हें मारने की धमकी देते हैं और उनको सरेंडर करने के लिए कहते हैं. बट अलोसा डिसाइड्स टू फाइट for her mother. She decides to fight for what is right and she decides to go against her father. And in this ship, of course, she has a gang, her pirate gang, and they're ready to do anything for her. एंड इट्स मोस्टली विमेन इन हर गैंग. लेकिन इस गैंग में राइडन भी हिस्सा बन जाते हैं क्योंकि राइडन के भाई की लाइफ को अलोसा जो है छोड़ देती हैं, माफ़ कर देती हैं उनको, और जो किडनैप किया होता है उन्होंने, तो वो राइडन इसके बदले उनसे कहते हैं कि वो इस मिशन का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वो उनका फेवर लौटाना चाहते हैं. लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं कि बात वहाँ पर कुछ और ही है. नाउ इन दिस जर्नी ऑफ कोर्स अलोसा हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ इशूज़, लॉट ऑफ dangers, lot of problems, but she manages to overcome all of that. She's not only able to save her pirate queen, her mother who's a pirate queen, and also is able to fight and defeat her father, but also is able to become now the new pirate queen of this sea. Third part is called Vengeance of the Pirate Queen. Now, this is actually not the story of, I would say, Alosa. This is actually the story of one of her team member. Her name is Sorinda. Sorinda actually is an assassin. She used to kill people for Alosa on her orders. तो लेकिन अब जो है, जो अलोसा है, क्योंकि अब वो क्वीन बन चुकी हैं, तो वो सोरिंडा को एक मिशन पर भेजती हैं, क्योंकि इससे पहले अलोसा ने कुछ लड़कियों को शिप के साथ एक मिशन पे भेजा होता है, जो कि पूरा का पूरा शिप और उसका जितना भी क्रू था वो गायब हो जाता है कहीं पर, और उसी क्रू का पता लगाने के लिए अब अलोसा सोरिंडा को भेजती हैं. And she actually gives her another member to help her out in this mission, and his name is Keren. Now, Keren, who was originally part of Raiden's, Alosa's lover, Raiden's gang, and now he is, of course, part of Alosa's gang. He's actually secretly in love with Sorinda. But Sorinda loves darkness. She loves to stay in the shadows. She loves to stay hidden. उनकी अपनी एक पास्ट स्टोरी है, एक ट्रोमैटिक स्टोरी है, जिसकी वजह से वो बस दूर रहती हैं लोगों से, और स्पेशली मेन से. बट क्योंकि शी इज़ द कैप्टन ऑफ दिस शिप, शी हैज़ टू लीड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, so she has to come out of those shadows. So in this mission, Sorinda faces a lot of dangers. Sea creatures which are deadly. They attack at night so silently that nobody can understand what has happened. Then undead army. She faces some, undead people, and she has to fight them. But she's able to overcome all her issues, all her problems, and she's able to put up a good fight. But the biggest fight she has is that is going on in her heart. She's trying to understand her feelings, because she's never felt something about another human being before. So these feelings really confuses her, and she doesn't know how to avoid Karen, who's actually madly in love with her. बट अलोसा का एक बहुत ही डार्क पास्ट है जो उसे अपनी फीलिंग्स और कैरन की फीलिंग्स को एक्सेप्ट करने में से रोकता है. एंड दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट इनर बैटल दैट शी इज़ फाइटिंग. विल शी बी एबल टू फाइट ऑल दीज dead and undead armies? Will she be able to, save her ship? Will she be able to, complete Alosa's mission? For all these questions, you need to read the trilogy. This is called Daughter of the Pirate King trilogy by Trisha Levenseller. So, as I said before, I would actually call this a duology, because the third part is not about Alosa. The first two parts are about Alosa. The third part is about Sorinda. So, even if you read just the two parts, this is going to be fine, because this actually should be called a duology. And the third part is a separate read altogether. So, definitely I would say read all three parts, but you don't have to do it in continuation. So for the first two parts, if you read, that is going to be fine. And I'll tell you what my views are about this trilogy. First, of course, lot of action, plot, drama, story, romance, adventure, creatures, characters, plot, everything is super exciting. There is nothing wrong anywhere. There's not a single page where you do not feel adrenaline rush, you do not see that action happening, and of course dher sara romance that makes it even more exciting. So if you are that kind of a person who loves to read action with romance, then definitely this is the series for you. But let me tell you, अलोसा और राइडन का जो रोमांस है ना, उससे ज़्यादा मुझे कैरन और सोरिंडा का द रोमांस दैट इज़ देयर इन द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द बुक, वो ज़्यादा पसंद आया, बिकॉज दैट इज़ मोर सटल. मे बी दैट इज़ माई काइंड ऑफ रोमांस. बट for all you action lovers there, and I would say action, adventure and fun ride, if you're looking for, then of course this trilogy by Trisha Levenseller is the book series for you. So I'm going to read my favorite part from this book. This is the second part, Daughter of the Siren Queen, where what happens when Alosa loses one of her crew member. So, they put the body under the sea and they perform a ritual. And why do they do that? It talks about that. At night, we light the lanterns. We let the remains of Lotia's body drift off to sea, buried with the fallen pirates before her. When her soul departs from her body, it will follow the lantern light and find the water's surface. From there, it will be able to see the stars and fly up to the heavens. Every soul parted from the world is a star in the sky. They live in peace, reunited with lost loved ones at last. So I hope you liked this book trilogy by Trisha Levenseller called Daughter of the Pirate King trilogy, and you found this review useful. If you did, then please make sure you share it with all the book lovers you know and with your family and friends. And I'll see you soon in my next video. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए और हंसते रहिए.